guys, here we go. We're gonna go coyote hunting tonight. Right here where we're from, right here in Central Texas. There's ice on the ground, a little cold. Truck says 23 degrees with the west-southwest wind, so see how this shit plays out. And you know, like our page, subscribe. We'll post more videos as we hunt, you know. Stay tuned. Well, after about 3 stands, we finally got a fox, and we caught a double fox in. We was using Tony Tabby picky eaters on on the first stand, we caught a triple coyote and gun misfired. Tried to load another one in, they just couldn't get them to stop, couldn't get it to work. I don't know if my trigger needs to be adjusted, or it was just, I mean, there was a hole, there was on the back of the bullet where it hit, it just didn't go off. So then we left, and a buck ran out, put a big old dent in my fender, my pickup. So guess we'll deal with that in the morning. But we're on to one more, maybe two more stands, and we'll call it a night. It's already 12:30. So we'll see what we got going on. We'll see what's going on. Oh yeah, if anybody was wondering what kind of platform I'm running a Anderson Arms or something like that, AR-15, chambered in a 300 blackout. I think I'm using like 69 VMAX bullets, something like that. And then on the thermal, I'm just using AGM Radler V2 19, about 256. I think that's what it is. It's just a starter rig. I got a Yankee Hill machine silencer on it, so it knocks it down quite a bit, but it's still got a pop to it. But I like it. I like the setup. So yeah, just stay tuned. We're gonna go hit this one more last spot, and then we're gonna call it a night.